Employees want to feel appreciated, especially after putting in extra effort to help in a pinch. But here's the catch. Research shows that managers think that they're showing much more appreciation than they actually are. The solution? Amp up the praise. Simple acts can make a big difference. Greet your employees by name. Ask about their weekends and make regular check-ins. These small gestures can show that you see and value them as individuals. But there's more to it. It's crucial to create a culture where employees don't feel the need to hide aspects of their identity. As a leader, you can set the tone. Talk openly about your experiences, as openness can foster a more inclusive and appreciative workplace. So how do you ensure that your employees feel genuinely valued for who they are? Go ahead and share it in the comments. I'm Lisa Ryan, and I'll see you next time. Hey, subscribe to my channel and check out the description below for some awesome extras you don't want to miss. Catch you in the next video.